guys. So today I'm gonna be juicing some fruits. I got some fruits from the Caribbean, fresh from the Caribbean just one day ago, so I want to use them up quickly before they go off. If you don't know, I'm from the Caribbean, my husband's from the Caribbean, and I love fruits and I got loads of them. So let's see what juice I can make today, and I'm just want to share with you some of the goodness that we have in the Caribbean and how it looks different compared to other stuff that we get over here in like overseas. And yeah, hopefully you guys can try this out as well. Let's just jump right into the quick juicing video. Well, yesterday my husband bought some mangoes. Guavas is over there. Those are 5-finger, they call them in St. Lucia. Some big avocados. This is the avocados I bought in Sainsbury's. This is how small the normal avocados are compared to a Caribbean avocado. Look at this, baby. Look at it, so big. And I have 2 of those big ones. I got loads of limes and those small avocados, and this that sugar apple, but we call it sour sop or sweet sop in Jamaica, whatever. I was eating the guava already, but yeah, this is some of the stuff that I have here, and I'm gonna be juicing. So I de-seeded the whole sugar apple, or sour sop, sweet sop as we call it. I did about 3 guavas and 2 5-fingers. This is going to be sweet because this sugar apple was full of sugar. I'm just going to put some of the rest of this in the juice with some squeeze of lime, and that will be it for the juice. If you guys want any more information about this quick juice, I didn't put in a mango this time. Next time I do some mangoes, but I just wanted something different, and I think this will be yummy. So I'll show you now, guys, now how I blend it up and what it looks like at the end. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. Found this juice in Sainsbury's. It's the new Tropicana mixed berries. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah, it's the new Tropicana mixed berries 100% squeezed fruit, and it's a limited edition one. So I thought I'd pick that up because it's got blackcurrant, apple, grape, strawberry and blueberry, and I'm just going to pour a bit of this inside my juice, well, on my fruits, and blend all of that up and see what it tastes like. Ooh, looks so yummy. So good. All I did was add a bit of lime, some brown sugar. So good. If you want to add some water to make it less thick, you can strain it to take out the seeds, but it's so yummy. Please try it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Cheers. Bye, guys.